Bad breath signals health problems. These are doctors called the main reasons that prevent fresh breath. Often this problem is associated with the development of a number of diseases, and not just with the use, for example, onions and garlic. So, bad breath can be caused by the development of chronic renal failure, problems with the gastrointestinal tract, complication of diabetes, cirrhosis of the liver. The zone of enhanced reproduction of bacteria, which is a result of work which forms an unpleasant odor, is the nasopharynx, sinuses and tonsils. Inflammatory and allergic processes contribute to excessive mucus production. Then there is an accumulation of mucus, food debris and bacteria in the depressions of the tonsils. Caseous plugs are formed that have an extremely unpleasant odor. Bad breath can be one of the first signals about the initial stages of cancer of the oral cavity and nose. Also, persistent dry mouth, which occurs due to the use of certain medications, can provoke stale breathing. For example, from high blood pressure, depression, anxiety. Leftovers in the mouth and sweets, especially chewing candies and caramel, can spoil your breath. Such food provokes the growth of harmful bacteria. In addition, an unpleasant odor may be due to a lack of carbohydrates against the background of a large amount of protein food, for example, following a carbohydrate-free diet. The fact is that the body in this case begins to burn fat cells, during which waste products ketones are formed, which cause an unpleasant odor. To remove them faster, it is recommended to drink plenty of clean water. The consequences of eating a number of foods, including onions, garlic, smoked fish and all kinds of spicy dishes, should also not be forgotten. An unpleasant garlic smell is given to breath and sweat by one of its components, allyl methyl sulfide, which does not break down during digestion. It is impossible to eliminate such a bad breath, even if you brush your teeth after eating. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.